Hey friends, it's Victoria. Welcome in. We have an unboxing to do. This is the Evelyn, the denim Evelyn, large denim Evelyn to be specific. So why did I get this bag? FOMO, that's it. That's the reason. When I was getting my pink one in the store, the SA did let me know that they were doing away with the large one. I don't know, and I didn't get clarification on whether she just meant it was the denim, the large size in the denim Evelyn that they weren't gonna make. They'd still have the medium, or were they just doing away with all of the Evelyns in the size large? I need to get some more specifics around that. My understanding at the time when we were speaking was that the denim Evelyn, that size was not going to be made. That's kind of what I thought I heard her say. Anyway, so I decided I'm going to get it before it's gone. I already got the pink one and I love that bag, but I'm a oversized big bag person. Let's get to this unboxing. So I'm ready today with my scissors. But yeah, so welcome to my channel. And this is a contemporary handbag channel. And of course, my name is Victoria. Didn't know if I said that at the beginning. I've been so excited. And yeah, I love handbags. It's my thing. I could talk handbags all day. I love Coach. We all do. And I like to call myself a handbag fanatic. And the chances are, if you're watching me, you're probably just as obsessed like I am with handbags. So welcome, many friends. Thank you for joining me. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I don't know why it took so long for me to get with the Evelyn bag, but I always saw it in the store and I never got it until I got my pink one. I love that pink denim Evelyn. And so I thought, oh, I love Coach, don't you? So this is her. Let's see what she looks like. Oh my goodness. She's lovely. She's so cute, friends. Oh yeah. I'm glad she's not overstuffed. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous, I tell ya. Oh yeah, we love her. Yep, this is the Evelyn. She is kind of a cross between a bucket bag and a tote and a drawstring bag. Oh, look, that's how I'm describing her. I love that she's got this, you can cinch her just a little bit. I also love that she's got this top zip. So your stuff is secure. Oh, she's pretty. Look at the inside. This is a big mama. I did get the medium, the pink one, and that size is very generous. You can fit a lot. Oh, this bag is so pretty. So cute. Y'all know how much I love denim. Denim is a neutral, in my opinion. Oh, it's not as big as I thought, though. It's not so oversized. What do you think? Isn't she pretty? Little leather strip on the bottom. She was, what did I pay for this bag? I think $249 or $269. I don't know. Well, let's see. No, this is the outlet price. It's not the right one. I think it was $249 plus tax. I think the whole thing was under $270. This is the quilted denim. She is stunning. She is so fabulous. She's large. I can't wait to use her. So nice. Now, someone had asked me when I got my pink one and I used it, what do I use on my bags? My denim bags to protect them. I don't use anything. I don't use any Scotch Guard or spray or anything. I figured the bag is gonna age the way it's gonna. And if for some reason I get something on it, on a bag, on a denim bag, you aren't gonna believe me what I'm gonna tell you, but what I use is the original Dove soap, not Dove, sorry, the original Dawn dishwashing liquid. I use a little bit of that on the damn cloth, and I will like work whatever the steam is, out of my bag. That's all I do. I don't do any spray or any sort of Scotch Guard or do whatever you want. I just tell you what I do or I don't do with my bags. I don't. And I love denim, and all my bags age beautifully. I do take care of my bags, but accidents do happen and people want to protect their bags, and I get it. I just don't put anything on my bags. I can't be bothered. Anyway, so this is the large size. Let me grab my pink one. Jessica's her sister is here, so let's compare. For my pink bags, I don't use dust bags, but bags like a super light color like this pink, I will keep in the dust bag. So this is the pink Evelyn, and that's the smallest size. Of course, I got her stuffed, and that's the larger size. This is a really good size bag, but I like this one better. I wish they had made this color in this size, but it did not. So it's all good though. I still love my pink one. But yeah, that's it, friends. I just want to do this quick unboxing to show you Miss Evelyn. Miss Evelyn has made it home, and FOMO got me because I thought once she was gone, I wouldn't get her. I thought, let me get her now, because I absolutely refused to buy from a reseller. Anyway, and that is that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the content on here. I have more goodies coming. So Wednesday is drop day. I am going to try to go and do a come shop with me. Y'all seem to like that. The last time I did that the last Coach drop, you guys came with me, and the feedback was, we want more of this. So my store tends to allow me to film. I still have to ask them, so I'm gonna bring you with me. When I get there, I'm gonna ask them and see if they say yes, and if they do say yes, then I'll film it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go check the things out they have. I'm just gonna tell y'all right now, I have seen a lot of the bags that my store currently has. I was at my store not very long ago, and they did show me what they had at the store. There's that red Rowan. I saw that one. It's here. What else did I see? A Maggie, but the color is different. It's coming in a blue, like I don't want to call it a baby, almost like it's not a denim blue, but it's close to a denim. It was stunning, and other things. So I'm gonna check those out. There is nothing that I saw that I'm jumping for. I don't know. I might see something that I want. But what I am waiting for is the retail. I'm just telling you all my business. I am getting the Scarlet Haversack. That's coming in red. I'm going to pop a picture somewhere in this video just to show you. One is on reserve for me at Coach Retail. Yeah, my name is on one. So I will pop that picture up in this video. So I will be getting that. That drop is 7/1. My essay did say he will give it to me on June 30th or the day before, but I'll do my best to get to the store on that day. But he is holding that for me. It's the red Haversack. I think the color is crimson. Again, I'll pop a picture because he did send me a picture of my bag. So yeah. So I don't know. I don't think I want anything from Outlet, but again, I might get there and be a little surprised. But yeah, nothing is jumping at me. I want a couple of things from retail this drop that's coming. So, but I'll still do a walkthrough vlog style shopping on Wednesday. I do have the day off, so I will do that for y'all, and hopefully we'll all see some things together. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the vlog video on Wednesday. Okay, thank you.